Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, grade 9. We will take now problems on Mendel's first law. Number 1 here, explain on the basis of genetic principles crossing between two pea plants of hybrid smooth seeds. So we have here the two individuals are hybrid smooth seeds. Knowing that smooth seeds trait will be R capital is the dominant and the wrinkled seeds trait will be R small is recessive. So here we have two pea plants. They are hybrid smooth seeds. And if you remember, hybrid means we have here parents and then gametes and then the first generation. The parents here, they are hybrid. The two individuals are hybrid. One of them here, one of the traits are dominant and the recessive trait is R small. So here the father will be R capital, R small, and mother R capital, R small. They are crossed to each other. So the gametes here will separate from each other. This will be R capital, R small, R capital, R small, separated from each other and form the first generation finally. So here we have R capital with R capital will be R capital, R capital. And here we have R capital with R small, so it will be R capital, R small. And here we have R capital with R small, so this will be R capital, R small. And here we have R small with R small, it will be R small, R small. So this will be pure, smooth, and here hybrid, smooth, hybrid, smooth, and finally this will be pure, wrinkled. So the offspring here, or the first generation here, will be seeds of produced generation. Some of them are smooth and the other are wrinkled at ratio 3 smooth to 1 wrinkled. Okay, the next problem, a pea plant of pure tall stem. So we have here tall stem pollinates another one with dwarf or short stem. So we have here the recessive trait, and here we have dominant trait. Explain on the basis of genetic principles the genetic structure of the first and second generation. So we will start with the first generation. Here we have parents. What are the parents here? One of them is dominant, has dominant trait, pure, not hybrid. So it will be the symbols we will choose T according to tall word. So it will be T capital, T capital. Why? Because it is pure, not hybrid. And the other parent is short. So this is recessive trait. So it should be T small, because pure, tall, or hybrid, tall, T capital, pure tall, and hybrid, tall will be T capital, T small. But if I say short or recessive trait, it should be T small, T small. So they will cross to each other and the genes or gametes will separate from each other. So this will be T capital, T small, T small. This is true? Yes. And we can only choose one of them. We can choose T capital, T small. And this is also true, no problem. So what will happen finally? This is the gametes, and here we have the first generation. Here we have what? T capital with T small. It will be like this. So T capital, T small, T capital, T small, T capital, T small, T capital, T small. So all of this hybrid, hybrid. But hybrid, it will be tall or short? Of course tall. Why? Because the dominant trait here is tall. So hybrid, dominant. Or the trait here is tall hybrid, okay? If we do now the second generation, I told you that it is true if you write only one T capital, one T small, like the last session. Here we will do the second generation. We have here parents and gametes and second generation. So parents here will be the first generation. From here pollinate each other, self-pollination. So we hear T capital, T small, cross with T capital, T small, separate from each other, so give T capital, T small, T capital, T small, then produce the second generation, T capital with T capital, and here T capital with T small, and here T capital with T small, and here T small with T small. So we have here pure means tall, pure, not hybrid. But this and this hybrid, but it also tall. And here this is pure but short. And the ratio here 3 tall, 2, 1 short, pure. Okay, thank you.